All right, the next question goes over to Ed Jirsa. Here it is, Ed. The mayor and common council has borrowed money in order to get around the state-mandated tax cap so that they can increase taxes. Do you consider this legitimate, or should they have gone to the taxpayers with a referendum for approval of the tax increase as the law provides?
They should not have spent money they don't have. That's my answer.
Okay.
Short and sweet, nothing wrong with that.
Marlo, over to you. Should they have? Well, you know how they raise the taxes. They borrow money in order to raise the taxes. The law provides for a referendum if they want to raise taxes. Is it okay that they went the debt route, or should they have gone with a referendum?
I believe that they should have gone through the referendum. I believe that in order for a city to be trusted, especially its government, its local government, you need to follow the rules that have been set in place so that it can run smoothly. I work at a correctional institution, and when individuals don't follow rules, it makes it hard, not just for that individual. It's a ripple effect to everyone. I don't think that there would have been anything wrong with taxpayers being able to decide if they want to continue the services that they have and what they need to do with it. Putting it before the taxpayers, letting them make a decision, and then making an educated decision based off of that is the best way to go. But circumventing something so that something else can get pushed through, that's not reasonable, and that's not something that we want our local government to do.
Thank you. Sure.
Yeah. No.
It's over the question about the tax increase, the 6 or 7% tax increase. It was done by borrowing money, which, by the way, is legal. You can do it. You can borrow money and pay off the debt with that 6%. Or the referendum route, which is provided in the law, that says if the city wants to raise taxes, then it must take it to a referendum to the taxpayers. Now they went the debt route. Do you think that was okay, or should they have gone the referendum route?
I think what's going to happen, we've been doing that for a number of years now, and I think what's going to happen is it's going to catch up to us, and I don't know how we're going to get out of it.
What's going to catch up to us?
Well,
the debt stuff?
Yes, it's going to catch up to us because we keep borrowing deeper and deeper, and I believe we have to come up with some different alternatives, and asking the taxpayers, I think, is the right thing to do. Do you want your taxes raised or not? It's a simple enough question. And if the answer is no, well, then we got to figure out a way to cut services or something in that fashion.
Thank you. Okay. Shana, your answer to it.
Sorry. I think turning to the taxpayers also is a good idea. My worry is the voter turnout. How many people show? We have to definitely raise awareness and have everyone show up for it to be effective and not have people in our city disappointed with the result.
Good, thank you. Finish up with your Keith.
When Alderman Shields of the 3rd District, proposed the referendum, I was on board with that. Once again, as I said in my opening statement, bringing government back to the people. And, the people have to decide some of the things that are going to affect them directly and indirectly. I just agree from the standpoint that the people should be making the decisions that are going to seriously affect their lives.
Thank you.